how are you? I'm Mike, and you're here at Broken Acres. Today, we're going to see if a universal cam tool like this is the end-all be-all, or maybe I should just stick to a dedicated cam tool like this. So, in here, the first thing we find is an assortment of different size sleeves. The next thing we find is the nylon support, the expander shaft, the main drive handle, a smaller bushing for the expander sleeve, and a thinner set of sleeves for the expanders themselves. We'll need this one though for testing today. So, before we test removing old bearings like this one, let's get it cleaned up a little bit and highlight any damages that are already on it. One quick clean later, and the old damage is marked. First things first, let's lube up the adapter shaft. Insert our adapter shaft right in through here to prepare. Insert our adapter. Get our nylon bushing in place and bring the main drive shaft in. Thread in our two shafts together and install our adapter onto the adapter shaft. Using a 24mm, we will put that on the end and slowly expand our adapter out. Give her a little wiggle test to make sure she is nice and tight. And while supporting the nylon support, we will slowly hammer this bearing out. So let's take a look at the bearing. Make sure this universal tool didn't damage anything, which I don't see anything on either side from driving it out that shows the tool damaged it. And on the inside, I'm only seeing the slight little scratches that we previously marked. So I'm going to say it's pretty safe that this tool is okay to install new bearings without damaging them. Alright, so I'm going to show you a super neat little trick. Make it easier for installing your bearings. Pop them in the freezer. Keep it hidden from your wife, preferably not this obvious. And I know what you want, buddy. You want some ice, don't you? Here you go, buddy. Nom, 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 nom. So remember, guys, now we're going to come in here, lube the hole. Always lube the hole. Don't forget to lube the hole. Then we're going to line it up in the hole. Because, guys, nobody likes bruised thighs. And drive her in. Looks pretty good, guys. So I gotta say, this tool did pretty good and definitely met expectations. Nice clean install, good easy removal, and no worries. Can't complain there, guys, especially for the low price of about 60 bucks. A cam tool that will do it all. So, till next time, I'll catch ya.